Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify user permissions and sudo access on VPS step by step clearly. To begin, connect to your VPS using SSH. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type the SSH command followed by your username and server IP address. Press enter and enter your password when prompted. Once connected, check your current user with the whoami command. Next, verify your sudo privileges by attempting to run a sudo command. Type sudo L and press enter. This command will list the allowed and disallowed commands for your user. If prompted, enter your password again. If you see a list of commands, you have sudo access. If you receive an error, your user does not have sudo privileges. To view all users with sudo access, type grep sudo /etc/group. This command will display users in the sudo group. You can also check the /etc/sudoers file for detailed permissions. To do this, type sudo vsudo. This will open the sudoers file for editing. Look for lines that grant sudo privileges to specific users or groups. Be cautious while editing the sudoers file. Incorrect changes can lock out sudo access. If you need to grant permission, add the user in the proper format. Save your changes if you edited the file. Exit the editor and return to the terminal. Finally, verify the changes by revisiting the sudo L command for that user. This confirms whether the permissions are set correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.